Yeah, please.
Yes.
There's three issues arise for compensation. Whether the judgment of the Lordships in Faizabad Authority applies, and second, whether the period for limitation for making the award in the new Act will apply.
What is the stage now?
Plus, large number of petitions. I mean, that's what happened. Unfortunately, the advocate who appeared could not bring it to the notice of the High Court that at least large number of petitions are pending. Please have paid 186.
86 matter pending before this court.
Not before this court, but before the High Court paid 186.
That's all right. Now it's war now. That cannot be ground.
No, but that's why. Therefore, I have been addressing the Lordships on merit. So what happened?
Maybe if you pass an order here,
Yes.
this will be binding on the pending matters before the.
That's right. No, what happened? I tell me what happened. The
You
matter
want to know what is the stage?
Stage today, there is status quo operating because of the order of.
What is the stage of proceedings?
The award has been passed, which is in 2022, which has been challenged by me, which was challenged by me in large number of proceedings matters before the High Court. Large number of matters are pending before the High Court, where status quo regarding possession has been granted. I can just show that to others, Your Lordship. 1800.
What is the ground you are raising?
Yes, Milord, three grounds. Three grounds I am raising. Now, Milord, Your Lordship will notice that 2001, the Section 4 notification was in 2011. I never challenged that notification, Milord. I never got a stay. The stay was at the instance of public interest litigation, Milord. That Your Lordship granted, the matter went to by the High Court, and in 2019, the government said we will constitute a committee.
Yes.
Now, in 2020, they say that we have issued a Section 6 notification. Now in 2020, the 1980-1894 Act is not even there. But please have a look at the Section 6 notification. It refers to the new Act. So if you go by the provisions of the new Act, two consequences arise. The award has to be made within 1 year from that Section 6 notification or Section 19 notification, and compensation has to be under the new Act. Now please have Section 6 notification.
Yes.
This is the point because we argued, but the High Court says Faizabad covers it.
Now, even then,
Yes.
in the old act also, award will be within 1 year only.
Yes, right, Milord. So this award is after 2 years. I'll give the date to Your Lordship, Milord. 17/8/2000. I'll just give 2 dates to Your Lordship. 17/8/2020, Section
See,
6.
now that new act will come,
Yes.
but what stage? Only with respect to the question of compensation only.
So Your Lordship have interpreted. Your Lordship have interpreted.
Now, under the old act, now the 11A, what is the time limit?
11 is 2 years.
2 years.
Now, under in Your Lordship, the judgment in Milord's executive engineer versus Mahesh, Your Lordships have said that award has to be passed within 1 year, and Section 25 will also apply in a case where Section 4 is earlier and Section 6 is later. I can place this judgment. What happened? The writ came on the first day of hearing. And since the Honorable Court was just merely issued notice and tagging, the learned counsel was not able to project this before. And therefore, the notice was not issued. On the first day, the Honorable Court quoted Faizabad Authority and dismissed my writ petition. Faizabad was a case where hundreds of people had got compensation under the old Act. 3 persons had got a stay in their favor, and then the new Act came, and then Your Lordship says,
In this case, did you get the compensation or not?
no, Milord, the award is passed in 2022 only. As per the old Act, that's what we are challenging. Therefore, Milord, 2 questions arise.
Where does the Section 6 say that it's to be passed under the new act?
So please have page 132. So, Milord, according to me, after the new Act, after the repeal of the old Act, Section 6 could not be invoked at all. It doesn't exist in the statute books. Please have page 132. 17th August 2020. Lordships have that. Now, third paragraph. The declaration is made under provisions of Section, Lordships have page 132. Third paragraph. The declaration is made under provisions of 6 of LA Act 1894, read with 24(1).
Correct.
Yes.
That's only for the purpose of compensation at best.
So Milord, that's why I'm saying Lordship judgment in 2022 2 SCC 772. Just the court faster can pass it on. 2022 2 SCC 772. And the award, I'll just show that while they are giving the judgment, the award is passed under Section 11 of the old Act. Page 189 is the award. So the government will also. So 2022 volume 2 SCC page 772. Yes.
On
Yes.
the entitlement of compensation, whether it is under the old act or the new act.
Right.
At your other argument will have some difficulty in accepting.
The Lordship may consider it. I am not saying today your Lordship should accept it today. I am only today saying that please have a look at page 31. Lordship may issue notice, grant status quo. Other matters are also pending before the High Court. Our products and that the Lordship will see our review petition. The advocate who went was actually not a representative. Page para 31 your Lordship will have. Just to place it, Lordship, I am not saying today. Consequently, we hold that in cases covered by clause A of 24(1), limitation period for passing or making an award under 25 of the Act would commence from 1/1/14, that is the date when 2013 Act came into force. Awards passed under clause 21A would be valid if made within 12 months from 1/1/14. The dictum is subject to the caveat stated in 20 to 23, which doesn't apply. So the stay period, assume, according to me, this is not a stay at my instance, but assume the stay period is excluded. There is no stay from August 2020. So Lordships have held that 25 applies, and if 25 1 year is the limitation, therefore the award should be passed within 1 year. They have used 11A, which of a repeal enactment 8 years after repeal, and say we can pass.
We don't also to appeal for the petitioners placing claims upon the judgment of this court. The executive engineer.
It's a long name.
Those who wrote the project in that council, this is Nagesh and others, 32/22 to HSC 772, submitted that the award cannot be sustained in the eye of law.
Yes.
As what is applicable is the new act.
Correct.
Taking over the said submission, issue notice and stay. And not satisfied.
Grateful to it. Very, very grateful.
But there your lordships are considering other matters on the same subject.